Welcome to RHRV Life. Today we're exploring the top 5 most expensive motorhomes in the world. These are not just RVs. These are luxury mansions on wheels. Let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the foretravel IH45. This luxury motorhome costs around $1.5 million. It may look simple from the outside, but inside, it's pure luxury. You get a fully customized interior with premium leather seating, modern kitchen appliances, and a high-end bathroom setup. It also features advanced suspension for an ultra-smooth ride, making long road trips extremely comfortable. If you want a balance of performance and luxury, this RV is a perfect choice. At number 4, we have the Newell Coach P50. This motorhome is priced around $2 million and is known for its fully custom-built design. Inside, you'll find luxury bedrooms, smart home technology, and even heated floors in some models. Everything in this RV is designed for comfort and privacy, making it perfect for high-end travelers. It truly feels like a 5-star hotel on wheels. Coming in at number 3, the Prevost H345 VIP Motorhome. This one costs over $2 million and is often used by celebrities and touring artists. It offers a powerful engine, large living space, and a fully luxury interior setup. From entertainment systems to custom lighting, everything is designed for premium experience. This is one of the most popular luxury motorhomes in North America. At number 2, we have the Featherlite Vantare Platinum Plus. With a price tag of around $2.5 million, this RV takes luxury to the next level. It features marble floors, crystal lighting, and high-end furniture. There's also a smart control system that lets you control everything inside the motorhome. This is not just a vehicle. It's a moving luxury apartment. And finally, at number 1, the Marchi Mobile EleMMent Palazzo. This is the most expensive motorhome in the world, costing over $3 million. Its futuristic design looks like something from a sci-fi movie. It includes a rooftop sky lounge, luxury bedroom, and even a bar area. The interior is designed like a 5-star hotel, with gold accents and premium materials. This motorhome is truly the definition of luxury on wheels. So which one of these motorhomes would you choose? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more luxury RV content.